Guys, I figured it out. I figured out gravity. Okay, so in the normal sense, they usually show gravity like this, where a line that bends down with a gravity or singularity point right here, which bends gravity down, which light and mass go in here and come back out. Over here I have the same exact example, but with arrows, so you can see how it works. Light comes in, does not get out because it's going down until it gets out here or goes back up. If it's faster than the speed of light in order to get out, that's a black hole. If it's not a black hole, and you can get out of that thing. And it bends this down using its gravity. Flip this page, I had a theory on how gravity works. Gravity right here is infinite lines, which is space-time, and it bends. As you can see right here, it bends towards the singularity, which causes you to fall through to it. Look, it also looks like a black hole. See? And that kind of makes sense. That's kind of like how it looks. Over here, I experimented with it until I drew this. And then I realized, and I figured it out. Look, it's so simple. Gravity, it works like this. This is singularity right here. Gravity bends and wells toward this. So as an object falls into this, it starts orbiting it in a high orbit. But if you came from the planet and you entered a circular orbit, all of these little things that bend right here, they have a circular bend. And so this one comes in right there and then goes out like that and then continues to do that. So like this. And then you do this. Yes, you get it, right? I don't think you get it, but listen, it's simple. Look at this, look. So it goes in, it bends, and it bends right here, and then it bends right here, and then it bends right here. And then there's a singularity point right here. It spins this way, you're orbiting right here, or you're orbiting this way. Look, okay, so right here. Look, there's a singularity, you're orbiting like this. Okay, no, you're orbiting like this. And so you're bending space-time. No, the thing is bending space-time like this, and so you're orbiting inside of that circle that they make, like that. You're orbiting inside of the circle that they make right there, and you can bend out of that circle, but that puts you into this one, which is number 1. This is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. You can orbit inside of 3, 1, and 4, 4 and 3, 3 and 2, 2 and 1. So yeah. Gravity. That's how it works. I figured it out. The video is probably going to get removed by the government. I don't know. Just so excited. I've just figured it out. I mean, it's just a theory, but it makes sense. Right?